So I'm a civil engineer by training, but when I was an astronaut candidate, I was introduced to these great global challenges of food production, energy, space, climate change, and through this experience, I was introduced to the life of startups and business, and so I talk about all these different things, and seeing kind of the entirety of society from all these different angles. I can kind of see the links between all these different things and what affects what are the challenges, what are the opportunities in tackling all these things. So I live to inspire. I want to see people be the best they can be, and I want to kind of portray the ways they can do that, and through leading by example myself, and being not afraid to talk out, and not afraid to put myself out there.